Okay.
We're gonna like do the flower.
No,
challenge.
shut up. Okay, I'm Jacqueline, this is Chloe. We're sisters. And I dropped some flour. We're going to do the flower challenge.
I'm scared.
Because I don't think we have cinnamon, and I don't want to do that anyway. That seems so gross. And this probably isn't that bad. Okay,
Probably, it's gross.
you ready? Okay, ready? Set. Go. Oh.
It's not that bad. I just choked on it.
It just tastes like pancake batter. Oh yeah. Here. We're pretty good, right?